Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Ed. In this video, I will guide you through how to enable or disable remote access on Mac. To do so, first of all, you have to go to the Apple icon which is on the top left corner of your screen. From the drop down, choose System Preferences. Once your System Preferences is open, at the bottom you will see Sharing option. Click on it. When you go through it, on the left side you will see Remote Login and Remote Management option right over there. If you want to enable Remote Login, then simply select this button. To disable, you just have to unselect it. When you enable the Remote Login, at the right side, as you can see, by default, only administrators can access your Mac remotely. But if you want this to say to all users, then you just have to select this to all users. Now, all users can access your Mac remotely. In this way, you can easily enable or disable remote access on Mac. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.